Let's take a look at this Nova here. Unique Specialty and Classics. 1979 model year. Chevrolet Nova. Two-door sedan or two-door post. 383 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo-Hydromatic 350 automatic transmission to be exact. Let me run through some of the information from the previous owner on this one. It does have a Demon 650 dual feed carb. Headers. Edelbrock intake manifold, electric high flow fan, CPP front tubular upper and lower control arms, as well as a CPP rear 2-inch lowering leaf springs, Western chassis 2-inch drop spindles up front, Viking adjustable shocks with coilovers up front and Viking adjustable shocks in the rear. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see some of the things I'm talking about, check out the engine bay, interior, undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there as we get a look at the front chrome of the bumper. Paint is kind of like a red fire metallic, I guess, if you will, similar to a Mustang color, burgundy and silver. Nice looking two-tone. A few more of the things from the previous owner on this one. It does have the CPP front and rear sway bars, CPP high performance disc brakes. I believe it was power steering and power brakes with a serpentine system underneath the hood too. And we're going to check out the engine bay, start it up, let you hear it run. When we get around to the front of the car, we'll check out the interior a little closer. The performance disc brakes were drilled and slotted rotors. Posi traction rear end. Subframe connectors. Is an aftermarket tack on the steering column. Also a little aftermarket gauge cluster and an Alpine CD player. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Sorry about the lift going on in the background. Take a look at the driver's side. Notice there's one little kind of spot right there, if you can see it. Nice car to get in and take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. A fun one to drive, riding on American racing. Polished wheels, 5-spoke variety, and then you can see those rotors behind there that we were talking about. So here's disc brakes, all 4 corners. Our power brakes. We're going to open the hood here, check out the exact equipment underneath there in just a second. First of all, let's fire this up so you can hear it run. It's an Alpine stereo system. Again, 383 V8. Tack is working. Take a look at the top of the dash. Looks good. I did have the Alpine stereo system playing CD and AM/FM radio. There's your gauges, oil pressure, and that was a cold start, so I want to assume the water temp to be up, voltmeter. Bench seat up front, vinyl. Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice sounding exhaust. Little rumble coming out of that 383. Let's go ahead and slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood open. We'll check out the engine bay, wrap this video up. Hood release is front and center underneath the license plate. Give me a second, get it open, and we'll check.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at the underside of the hood, nice and clean. And here it is. So as you can see, headers, that Edelbrock intake manifold, serpentine belt system, power steering, power brakes, the high flow electric fan. windows are rolled as you're going to. Looks good and sounds good. 1979 Chevrolet Nova two-door sedan. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video, and the description is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.